Son, move to the right a little please. The composition is awful.
Take a photo, will you? It's not like for the passport.
And tighten your belly.
Just take it.
Yeah, now stay still. Do not blink. Check this out.
It's all black. Have you opened the lens?
Right, the lens. Let's do it again. This one for free.
So? I'm posing already.
Looks like it's a time traveler.
Sure, yeah. We'll call you back. Hold the line.
How did you end up there behind the sun all of a sudden?
It's me testing the wormholes. It's just so many things to do. Every second the director calls, the investors, there's not enough time to do everything you know.
What are the wormholes?
It's quite hard enough to comprehend, but give it a try, will you? For example, the distance from the Sun to Pluto is enormous. It seems that the shortest distance is by a straight line. Turns out no. If you imagine the universe is an even sheet, then fold it up like this. That's how you can get a wormhole that will shorten the distance. It's like time traveling. But while you fly in the hole for an hour, 10 years on Earth pass in that time.
Sounds awesome. Can I try?
Maybe you shouldn't.
Hello there, Sun.